Nagbalik na sina Michael Sager at Emilio Daez o Team Millie ng Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition sa Outside World. Bagamat natapos na ang kanilang PBB journey, mainit naman silang tinanggap ng fans paglabas nila sa bahay ni Kuya. At talaga nga namang feel na feel ito ng Team Millie. Pinansagang silang green flag duo ng mga netizens. Agree naman kaya dito sina Michael Sager at Emilio Daez? Alamin ang lahat ng yan dito sa Kapuso Insider.
Personally, it warms my heart because I remember one of the tasks, the biggest misconception of me is I'm a red flag. And siguro, I'm just happy that I was able to show who I really was in that house and will continue to be. So, thank you for calling us green flag. Pero sabi ko, green flag talaga to, guys.
And green flag
guys,
talaga to.
Green flag, promise.
Michael Sager, promise. Pero, syempre, sobrang natutuwa ako na tinatawagan kaming green flag duo kasi yun naman ang gusto kong gawin sa buhay, maging mabuting tao. Yan po ang goal ko doon sa pagpasok sa bahay ni Kuya. At masaya ako na nakukuha ang goal ko.
Hindi yan nagpaligoy-ligoy pa at inumpisahan na ni Michael ilista ang green flags ni Emilio.
Number 1, he prays before he sleeps. I think that's the best God-fearing man, bro. And then number 2, ang sarap niya magsaing. Oh my God. If you taste his rice, napakasarap. Kasi I like yung malambot na talagang chewy. Perfect. Tapos number 3, he compliments you. Diba? Bro, he compliments everybody and he's just so nice. At number 4, of course, he's very caring. Kumbaga, kung may kulang or may kailangan ka, he's there. He's just one call away.
Agad ding inilarawan ni Emilio ang green flags ng kanyang duo partner na si Michael.
Si Michael Sager, napaka-consistent. Oh. He is the most consistent person that I know. What you see is definitely what you get.
Wow!
Pangalawa siguro, he always tells the truth. He's very honest. He's a very honest person. I think I've never seen him be dishonest in the house. And I think he was very honest to me, in my opinion. And 3 is, he's very competitive. I think that's a green flag. You know, he will fight for you. He is determined, he is very goal-driven, and he's passionate.
Bro, ma-in-love na ako sa'yo, bro.
Paano yun, bro? Na-fall na ako.
Hindi nagtatapos sa kanilang green flags qualities ang rason kung bakit maraming tao ang nahuhumaling sa kanilang duo. Marami ring nagsasabing kamukha ni Michael Sager si Dieter Ocampo o Rico Yan. Samantala si Emilio Daez naman ay may hawig daw sa K-pop group na 17 member na si Mingyu.
Sa Dieter Ocampo, it's another compliment because I'm a fan of Dieter Ocampo, Rico Yan era. I used to watch your films actually, and they're one of my inspirations in the Filipino industry. And siguro to be recognized and look like an icon, it really inspires me to someday reach what they did. And I'm happy lang, so thank you.
For me naman, syempre Mingyu, an international icon. Syempre sino naman hindi matutuwa doon. I'm very, very honored to be compared to Mingyu. Maraming salamat.
Ngayong nasa labas na sila at napapanood na ang kanilang kapwa housemates, may natitipuhan na nga kaya ang Team Millie para maging Big 4?
First, number 1, from the Kapuso side, we have Will Ashley.
And from the Kapamilya side, we have Esnir.
And from the Kapuso, we have AZ Martinez.
And from the Kapamilya side, we have River.
And Ralph. Yes, those are our top 5. Kasi, guys, we're gonna change the question. Hindi pala Big 4, Big 5 na. Okay, joke lang.
Pero honestly, lahat po sila deserving. Kasi lahat po kami may pangarap. And of course, lahat naman ng housemates pangarap maging Big 4.
Yeah.
So, I think for me and Michael, we can't really say just those 5. But really, all the housemates deserve it.
Big winner material sila.
Huwag palampasin ang mga susunod na kaganapan ng Team Millie. Patuloy ring tutukan ng mga pasabog at sorpresa sa Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. Abangan din ang mga update tungkol dito lamang sa Kapuso Insider. For more exclusive content about your favorite Kapuso stars and shows, visit gmanetwork.com. Follow us on our social media pages.